So Tila, so she is a specialist in visualization, right? She's a Java developer for many, many years. She's actually from, so you're not from Switzerland. Where are you from originally?
Originally from Hungary.
From Hungary, right? So that's what I thought. That's what I told her. So she's from Hungary, lives in Switzerland, right? So put your hands together to Tila. Yeah.
Thank you, Bruno, for the introduction. Oops. I hope you can, yes, right now you can hear me. So Bruno talked a lot about OpenJDK specification and open source. And I realized some time ago that although I am a Java developer for a long time, still I had difficulty to understand all those terms. What is an OpenJDK? What is JDK, JEP, and what is the JSR? And what is the GCP, and how they are related to each other. And I was looking for some information to understand the topic better. And sooner or later, then you come to this site. I want to show you. This is the official OpenJDK site, where you can have you can find all the information about JDK and JEPs. Very well maintained site, and everything is correct. But if you are looking at this site, somehow it feels dry, or you get discouraged to go deeper in this topic, how you understand this. And this was the moment when I decided maybe there is another way to make it better understood for everyone. And I was thinking about, can we visualize it somehow, the Java's evolution, so that everyone can understand it a little bit better. And I just started with this visualization so that we can understand better. So I think everyone knows what the JDK is. So this is Java development kit. This is the code, the implementation of Java. The second thing is JEP, what you can also see here. Those are the JDK enhancement proposals. Those are basically features that get introduced into the language. So they are very tightly coupled to each other. This is the implementation pillar of Java. At the other side, you also have the specification side, where you have the JSR, so the Java specification requests, which is the specifies exactly how a Java platform version should work, what it should do. And also tightly coupled to it is the GCP, the Java community process, which is the organization behind to organize how everything should work with the specification. They are voting on it and accepting the specification. For this to visualize, first of all, I was thinking about, in the old days, you had got historic versions of Java, and later on, at some time, it was JDK 10, when they were introducing this 6-month cadence of Java, which means that you don't need to wait so long for a new version coming out. You only need to wait 6 months. After 6 months, no matter what, you will get a new Java version. This is what I am illustrated here. The difference between the two versions is the normal version, which is valid only for 6 months, and the LTS, the long-term support version, which is valid until the next LTS version is coming out, usually, I guess, 2 years later. And it is longer supported. Now, tightly coupled is, as I said, the JEPs. JEPs usually have got a number. They represent some kind of feature, and they we can imagine this as how they surround the JDK, so they belong to this JDK version. And as people usually don't know the numbers, we can also use the JEP title for illustrating this. Now, if we would like to imagine it over a timeline, so really understand the evolution of Java, then maybe we can think about different representation. So what I would like to show you here. So here you have got a timeline. Right now, JDK 26 is selected as this is the current version of Java. And if you can hover over it, then you can see some meta information about the JDK. You see it is right now not a LTS version. And you can see all the JEPs around it. 2 different types of JEPs. One where the full rhombus representing JEPs that are fully implemented in that JDK version, and the empty JEPs, people are still working on it, so they are not final. They can be either preview, experimental, or incubator feature. So usually you don't want to switch them on in production. Is there anyone who would like to choose a specific version you are interested in it? Like, maybe we can select another. 17. Okay, so 17 was a long-term support version, and as you can see, a lot of JEPs that have been implemented in there. So there are only 3 that are still incubator preview status, and we can specifically, maybe foreign function memory API, we can come to it later. What you don't see here, if a new JDK version is being released, it is not only the JEPs that are new. The JEPs are representing some bigger features, but there are a lot of improvements, bug fixes, or performance improvements, what are also part of of a new version, what you are not seeing here, but it's important to see that it exists. Now let's see everything together, so to get a better idea how this whole thing looks like. So here you can imagine what has happened after people introduced this 6-month cadence. You can see all the JDK versions, compare them to each other. Here also you have got a little bit of interactivity. This is the whole picture. What you cannot see here is, but also very interested for many people are interested in projects. So projects are something bigger. So people usually have some bigger ideas and they would like to have them implemented. Here you see some of the projects that are picked out, like Amber. You can see that they started development a long time ago, 2018, and still work is going on until September. But what is known right now, there are some other projects as well, like Panama, which is more about making Java more ready for AI. Loom is for virtual threads, so you can just explore all of this for you. But what you cannot see here is those JEPs are somehow connected to each other. And this is what I'm going to show you right now. In this visualization, I just selected some of the features that are part of the Panama project, like the vector API. And you can see all the evolution of this development. So they started work somewhere at JDK 16, and still, if we are following up the way until the end, in JDK 27, this feature is still in incubator stage. And it is this kind of visualization gives an idea how things have evolved over time. You can also select something different, which is the following function, memory API. Here you also see this kind of development over time. Now, I need to be a little bit faster. So, okay. All right. So now you understand how JEPs are related to each other. So let's show you everything all together, now that you understand how things are related to each other. So I will show you right now the Java Galaxy. Here you can see all the JDK versions from JDK 10 up to JDK 27, here right in the corner. So we can have a look here. What is interesting right now, maybe I can zoom in a little bit and a little bit move so you can better see it. So those are the new features that are coming out next September with JDK 27. Here, what you can see, what I didn't mention before, that this JDK version is always connected with a JSR number. This is the so-called platform specification. And this specification says how this JDK version, what should be in there. And the OpenJDK is the reference implementation of this specification. Now, because we have got a specification, everyone who feels like can implement his their own Java implementation. And this is possible because we have got a specification. The OpenJDK implementation proves that there is really an implementation for the specifications, or the specification itself is working. And now companies or whoever wants can go there, implement it, this specification. And all those different implementation distributions, they are of course different, but they implement the same specification, and in this way they are interchangeable in some sense if you are using it in production. So I don't know what kind of which distribution you are using here in production, maybe someone knows what you are. Oracle JDK, yes. Because there are some other distribution from Amazon, Corretto, and Eclipse, Temurin. Red Hat. Okay. So there are different distributions. And the GCP is the organization where this specification, they vote on this specification, and then on the GCP, those companies who have a distribution, they come together, also representatives of different JUG, Java user groups, and also individuals can be part of this GCP process. They vote on this specification, whether this whole specification process was open enough, and they enabled other people to give their opinion on it, or they give the possibility to test. And this is where the community also comes in, that you as a Java developer, you also have the possibility to shape how Java is going to be evolved. You can contribute to OpenJDK, because OpenJDK is open source. You can also give your feedback on new features to tell the developers, oh, okay, this was working, this is good, but this is not working for me in this specific context. So all those feedbacks are very valuable for Java to know about it. This is also one way you can influence this work. You can also be part of the GCP process, become a member, so everyone can be member there. And yes, so this is the development where everyone can make his contribution. And even if you don't want to participate in this process, but you can, we were talking about how to speak this afternoon. And if you would like to have a talk, this can give you a lot of ideas what this talk can be about. Like, what are the new features? Right now, JDK 27 is going out in September. What are the new features? You can give a talk on this. Or if you would like to compare two versions, if you are on JDK, let's say 21, and would like to upgrade to JDK 25 as a next LTS version, why should you do this? What's your benefit from it? So those kind of topics can give you some ideas what you can do, everything, how you can influence Java's development as a Java developer, as an interested person. So basically that's everything what I wanted to share with you. If you are more interested in, I can share you with this QR code. This gives you the possibility to have a look on this site and look around, just explore it on your own speed, what you are more interested in. I just recommend this to work around and play around with it. So that's everything, and thank you very much.